We have a lot of other studies going on, but they are not anywhere near as representative as this study will be.
Thousands of Canadians have been randomly selected to provide blood tests to help scientists understand how COVID is transmitted and the possible long-term effects it has on us. Statistics Canada has sent out finger prick blood testing kits to 100,000 Canadians to conduct a survey in hopes of gaining a better understanding on the impacts of long-term COVID and antibodies.
That test that people will perform on themselves will tell them whether they have antibodies to SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID, and do those antibodies come from vaccines or from infection, or from both.
The whole survey is being conducted in 3 waves. The first wave of Canadians will receive their tests in April, the second in May, and third in June. For the second and third waves, a saliva kit will be provided in addition to the blood kit, and this will determine which variant, if any, people had when they took the test.
It'll also give us an idea of the level of immunity right across Canada, and also it'll help triangulate the data with the wastewater surveys that are going on, giving us an idea of how much virus is circulating in our communities.
Between November 2020 and April 2021, Hankins and her team conducted a similar study, mailing 48,000 testing kits to Canadians across the country. Of those, more than 10,000 people participated, and the survey showed only 2.6% of the respondents had antibodies from a COVID-19 infection before the third wave. Hankins said only 35% of the participants filled out an online questionnaire and 23% provided a blood sample. But she's anticipating more will provide samples this time around.
We will see some evasion of immunity in the sense that we'll pick up some active infections going on, and we'll be very keen to see who is getting those. What age group is it? Did they have a previous history of vaccination? Is this a reinfection from somebody who got infected before?
Hankins says the data will be particularly valuable because it involves a sampling of the entire population.
We're looking forward to seeing these results and analyzing them.
In Winnipeg, Alex Karpa, City News.